If you lived in California, would you buy a sport car that is not convertible? Welcome to the channel. This is where I review all the luxury homes that come on the market. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a really short video so you can binge watch them right after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review a beauty. 1375 North Doheny Drive in Hollywood Hills, 5-bedroom, 9-bath. It's actually Bird Street. 10,613 square foot for $32 million, and it sits on 17,433 square foot of land. Okay, let's do 3 things I like about it. But before I tell you that, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for entertainment and educational purposes. If you have questions, you can ask the listing agent right here, okay? Number 3, I love how this house has this gate that it's like medieval into the castle. You have it like a drawbridge. It's not a drawbridge, but it feels that way, that you have to go through this tunnel to get to the motor court. And to have that in the Bird Streets, which is much smaller lots than most of the other areas in the high-end neighborhood, is amazing. It's really, really cool. Now, the second thing I love about this house is the scale and the volume. Now, I like the ceiling heights more than the actual volume because some of the rooms are not the widest you can think of. But again, I'm rating it for Bird Streets, right? It's amazing. The number 1 thing I love about this property is the finishes. The finishes are beyond good. This is meticulously done with great taste. And then when you throw in the interior design on top of it, it's such a great match. It's such an appealing house. And when you consider it south facing, the light is coming in. It's just a beauty. This is what's in right now in Los Angeles, and you're probably going to see it in your Florida, Miami homes in about 10 years from now. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this house.
Arvin, hang on 1 second before you get into that. Can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this?
According to ZipSmart.ai, new supply of homes from last month increased by 56%.
Wow.
ZipSmart is a really interesting, it gives you a lot of different metrics in one place. It gives you a forecast for home prices, it gives you a forecast for interest rate, and I'm upgrading it to version 3 and really revolutionizing the way you guys gotta digest real estate information data in one place. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I'm gonna raise the prices, so if you sign up now, you're gonna be grandfathered in. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. It's actually really 2 things I don't like about it. Number 2, 5 bedrooms for $32 million. I'll tell you guys this. I have a house in Woodland Hills. It has 6 bedrooms. Come by that, I'll give you guys a little discount. Deal? Okay, number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the fact that it's in this really hip, cool, young neighborhood, but it doesn't have a view. I mean, why would you want to be in the Bird Streets if you don't have a view? And this could be the actual reason why the owners are selling it, because for this type of price point, you can go buy Beverly Hills north of Sunset or Lower Biller and get an amazing house, even a bigger yard many times over, right? So it's just very, very out of position, I would say, right? That's why I thought, you know, convertible. You would want a convertible if you live in Los Angeles, right? If you want to drive a sport car. Now, if you want to know how much I would pay for it, you can reach out to me directly. I would love to help you with that. And if you like this video, you also like this video and this video. And make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.